Nandito ako para sabihin sa inyo ang 10 mahalagang OHS or Occupational Health and Safety. 1. Take a deep breath and don't panic. Stand up and step back from your computer. You want to approach things in a systematic, calm, and controlled manner. Panicking likely won't help solve your problem, and it could make it much worse, including causing you to lose valuable data. 2. Always discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. 3. Be careful with tools that may cause short circuit. 4. Wear rubber sole shoes when standing on the ground or in a concrete floor. 5. Always power off and unplug the computer before work on it. 6. When making circuit changes, switch off and unplug the power cord from the equipment, then discharge the capacitors. 7. Replace only fuses which those proper rating. 8. Hold the components by the edges and do not touch the ICs. 9. Read and follow instructions on the manual carefully. 10. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place.